Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can make WhatsApp. So first thing first, go to App Store or Play Store. There research WhatsApp Messenger and download the app. You can choose WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. If you have business then choose WhatsApp Business. If you don't have business then for personal use choose WhatsApp Messenger. Here you can see that I have downloaded it. So simply come back and now you can see that WhatsApp here. Simply click on WhatsApp. Now for making WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. Now here they will ask you to choose your country. You can also research your country as I'm researching here United Kingdom. Here you can choose your country and then you have to write your phone number here. Here you can see that they have restriction here. You can make WhatsApp only in United Kingdom if you are 13 years older. So when you gonna apply here your country, you're gonna see whether you have any restrictions or not. And here after choosing your country, here write your number and they will send you a verification code on your number. Now here you can see that our code is processing. Here you can see that they have sent the code in our number. They send the verification code on your phone number via call or SMS. So you have to wait and you have to see whether they have sent you the verification code or not. So just wait for 1 minute or 30 seconds. And even if after that you did not receive any code via call or SMS, then simply come here and here you can see the option did not receive a verification code. So in case if you fail to receive the verification code due to some reasons, simply click on this option did not receive a verification code. So when you will click on this option, they will ask you whether you want to receive the code through SMS or call. Here you can see that you can ask for resend SMS in 1 hour and here the call option is available. So simply click on call option and continue. Here these call and SMS have some timer. So in case if you fail to receive it in first attempt, then for second attempt you have to wait for some time, mostly 1 hour or 2 hour. So the more you will ask for resend, the more time it will gonna take. So here as we have the call option here, so simply I will choose this call option and you can click on continue. Now here you can see that they are sending our code. Now here write your code that they have sent it you. And after writing this code, this will process further. Now here you have to wait for some time. Now you can see that our phone number has been verified. Now here write your name. And after that you have to wait for some time. Here you can see all the groups in which you are added. And here in the chat option you can see all the chats. All the chat will appear here in the chat option. Here if you will click on the setting option in the bottom. By clicking on shine you can see your profile, you can see your phone number. You can change your profile from here and you can write your about from here. Here you can write any about you want to. And that was about setting option. Now if I here in account you can see all about your account, you can see in privacy all about your privacy. Now if we talk about this chat option, here all the chats will appear. In communities you can see the communities that you have joined. In call you can see all the call logs and in status you can see all the stories that your friends have uploaded and you can also follow any channels from here. Here you can see many channels, you can also explore more by clicking on the explore option. And that was all about how you can create WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.